I've got the tints for the front and the back just turned up. The knifeless tape that you lay down and then you peel off and it cuts the edges instead of doing it with a knife. Obviously some pieces that I'm gonna have to do with a knife. And then the things that I have had the patience not to open, I don't know what they are. So I have an idea of what this is. This is some branding. So it is some M badges. Obviously I'm not going to stick these all over the car. These are for a different purpose. So this is the thing that I think is, those stickers are going to be going on this, if this is the thing that I think it is. Yes, it is. So I know this company through the M4. So I've used them for the M4's key as well. So T carbon, the first piece of carbon that's going on the car. Ready? And it's the key fob. So let's not break it. Push it out. So it looks pretty good. Like the weave looks good. And yeah, that adds what? 300, 400 more horsepower on top of the car. So yeah. There's the first performance. Now the key's going to be... Actually, it's going to be heavier because it doesn't really need this. But yeah, performance mods. First piece of carbon going on the car. So I'm going to give it that much more horsepower. But already that's looking much better. Like, look at the difference of that, okay, compared to that. Okay, it's nice to have the M color, but that doesn't cover it. So I did used to have a body colored. Okay, so it clips in like that. That looks really good. I'm really chuffed with that. So let's go on to the big one, and I think I know what this is. So it's not the tint. Sorry for that awful noise. Gas. Okay, so we've got some 6D carbon. So really good. That looks really trust me. Wow. Look at this and look at that. It doesn't look like a wrap. That looks amazing. That looks so real. Damn. Trust me, I know what carbon looks like. I've got a crap ton of it in my M4. That looks really similar to what the real one looks like. That's really good. I like that. I think that's going to set it off. So we've got about 5 meters of that. I did buy all this on eBay, so if you are interested in buying the same things, just put it in the comments and I'll whatever thing you want, and I'll send you the link to the buyer, which they've done a good job. So really happy with this actually. Okay, so these are gonna be the things that I'm going to be doing, like the tint in the lights and the carbon interior. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just for I'll update you with these small bits and bobs that I've bought. Hopefully this won't stop the use of the keyless entry system. Like the one that I had. I think I've shown you guys. If I haven't, I'll put a picture up of it. It's like a metal piece that's like this big, and I had it colored exactly the same as the car, so in the Long Beach blue, but it interferes with the keyless entry, so I don't put it on anymore. I've got the key in my pocket, and I'm gonna try. Yeah, it still works. So the essential tools you will need to do this is obviously the tint, a squeegee. Make sure you get yourself a heat gun. I've already failed with using a hairdryer, and I've tried with a Gillette. My personal preference, I've tried this, didn't really work accordingly, and the best one that I found out of the set was the smallest one, so I've used this. So yeah, I've used that. And you need a spray bottle with baby shampoo in there. So I didn't know that as well, but the boys at the garage gave me that instead of window cleaner. Apparently that's much better, which, as you see, the result of the ones that I've done with the hot air gun and the baby shampoo. It shows in the work that's come out of it. First I'm gonna spray some of this stuff on it to get the area wet, so when I put it on it doesn't stick directly, it only sticks when I squeegee it out with the heat gun. So I've got the vinyl, I've just cut it to size. So it's time to cut. Look at this side compared to that side. I need to tuck the corners in, but look at that side. Look at that side. Right, as you can see there, I've got that edge to sort out. Okay, so let me show you the difference. That this was done with heat gun, and it's baby shampoo in there, and obviously with the knives that I've got. So this was done with a hairdryer, and as you see, it's just not enough heat to actually get the bubbles out and actually work on the tint. So it was much easier to use that. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but if you see it in person, you can definitely tell the difference. There's so many imperfections on that one, but obviously it is someone here as well, but I wasn't expecting to have a professional job. It's my first time actually trying properly, so I haven't got enough tint left because I went through lots of it trying it out. So I'm going to leave it like this for the minute. So I know it looks stupid with the red there, and then but at least it matches the middle black there, because I've only got enough for one side of the light, so I don't want to do one side and not do the other. So what I'm going to do is order some more. We have got some vinyl here, but it's too dark. That's what the front fog lights look like now. So I haven't had a really sufficient day because I didn't have tints to do the front headlights and the sides of the back, but I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Looks much better now. Hopefully we'll have some tints to do the other sides now.